Today's learning guys are cool, superb, Rose say amazing, fantastic, Suguna say sir you're fantastic, Shan say lucky agent this year be awesome.
Join it and my ROI is fantastic.
So one of the speakers that stand out is Mr. Ezone. I can see Mr. Ezone is very practical.
9-to-5 job will never give us the sense of security, especially during this pandemic time, right? So Forex caught my attention by having a daily volume like USD 6.6 trillion a day.
Then I said, I need a guru to teach me. I need someone to teach me, to guide me. That's it. I'm gonna be your student.
Guys, let's congratulate first to Sis Cecilia.
Thank you.
Roughly, I think Sis Cecilia already make more than 5 figure. Dah lebih 10,000. I think it's coming to 20-30K. But
I got a 300% ROI in 1 month.
Because it is a proven, amazing and powerful strategy where it brings me consistent result every week. And this is the one that you will never regret for lifetime.
All member and you will be boom like me.
Today's guest is the founder of Quant Solution, Malaysian-based company that aims to be one of the best trading solution provider for both institution and retail traders in Southeast Asia region. With his designation as a certified financial technician by the International Federation of Technical Analysts and also full member of world-renowned Society of Technical Analysts United Kingdom, our guest today is a highly sought-out speaker in Malaysia and regular speaker in Kuala Lumpur Stocks Exchange. As a full-time trader who has coached more than 1,500 new traders over the years, I am very sure you have plenty of stories how to navigate the market and to build up competency to become a profitable trader. With that, please join me to welcome Ezone Constantine, founder of Quant Solutions.
All right, once again, everybody, welcome right here to our special mega webinar. This is Sir Ezone Constantine, and as usual, guys, it's nice to see you all again, and I am excited. All right, as usual, guys, before we get started right here, I just want to check with you guys. Can you all see me? And you all can hear me or not, right? If you all can see me and you all can hear me loudly, go ahead to the chat section right now. Type there, awesome. Okay, type there, awesome if you all can see me and can hear me loud and clear. Guys, I miss you all. It's awesome to see you guys again, but this time right now, we're going to share with you guys more awesome stuff. Okay, so guys, if you all can hear me, can see me right now, just type the awesome on the chat section. We're live right now, my friends. So let me have a look at who's live already with us. Spencer, Pascal, Kay, Tembin Kyung, Azila, Sunny Ku, Mary Alota, Grace, Iswandi, Adrian, Bun Heng, Grayson. Yep, this is life, my friend. This is life. Elizabeth, Dennis, Rahman, and Liu, Eric, Chai K Wong. Let me have a look again. Who is already here? Nick Fong, Ivan Giem, Boniface, Agnes Tan. Awesome. Yes, we're live, right? Okay, Cheng Ken Wei. You all can hear me. If those who can hear me, most of them, they can hear me, just type awesome. And those who have a difficulty, kindly refresh again. I think some of our friend here, you can type at the chat section, ask them to refresh back the browser. Anyway, guys, I miss you all so much. I love you all, and I like to see you all back again here. And this time right now, we're going to share with you guys a lot of awesome stuff. Okay, now before we get started right here, I just want to check with some of you here again, if you all can see my slide here. Okay, let me have a look. Okay, just type the yes, those who can see. And those who join us, once again, awesome day. This time topic right now, we're going to talk about something very different. We're going to talk about unleash the power of artificial intelligence, how you can revolutionize your gold trading, especially on how you can boost your monthly return with a gold XA3 robot. I can see at the chat section right now is really you guys can see right now is really awesome right now in the chat section right now. It's awesome to see all of you come back again gathering for this special session. Okay, first of all, we are totally overwhelmed by the total registration. Just want to share with you guys right now, 2,105 participants right now watching us live right now from Malaysia, from Singapore, from Indonesia, from Brunei, from Philippines, from Thailand, from Australia. Awesome, guys. This is a wonderful live webinar that we have. And guys, if you don't mind right now, since we are live right now, is it okay that you guys can go to the chat section right now? Tell me, where are you guys listening me live right now? You can put your state, you can put your country. Go ahead, guys. Go to the chat section right now. Marek listening live from Qatar. Awesome. Ivan in Taiwan. Awesome. Pascal from Nicaragua. Awesome. Okay, so guys, tell me which country you guys from right now. Isaac from Malaysia. Awesome. Andre from KL. Some of you from Sabah. Spencer from Malaysia. Taiwan. Who else here? CK Chu. Okay, Ipo. Jason. Sabah. All right. Cross Kuching. Rahman Brunei. Chang from Malaysia. Lee Kokyu from Pahang. Arif, Kevin Leong, Sabah, John Chong Seremban. Oh, awesome. Look at that. We have a lot from Saudi Arabia. Abdullah listening live from Saudi Arabia. Awesome, right? Many of you here from Malaysia. Muhammad Alif listening live from Alaska. Really awesome. Philip listening live from Sabah. All right. Wonderful. We are live right now. Thank you so much, everyone, for your awesome participation. Really love it. And you guys can see right now is really amazing. I can see that Azlan from Tamalo, Zaki, Jeff, Nelman, who else right here? I keep on mentioning you guys, your name right now. Awesome, guys. I love the way how you guys participate right here. Really amazing. Okay, now, first of all, is it okay that I inspired you guys a little bit right here with our student that already tests our Gold XA3 robot with the live money right now? I show you guys here on the left-hand side. If you guys can see here, one of our traders here start on the 10 May, and 18 days of trading started with $1,000 capital and almost 1 month. And this is the real result. Achieve almost 40%. Okay, 40% ROI, 3,749 profit. Yeah. So achieve almost almost 40%, 18 days trading account. Yeah. This is a 10 May, 2nd June. We have a guy that started with 3 accounts here, accumulate altogether about 5,441 profit around 36 to 43% per month. That is really insane. So total profit he generate here about 5,441, about $1,000 plus dollar. This one is almost the same, almost coming to 1 month. Achieve result about 45.8%. Started with $1,000 capital. This one is started around 13 days trading, and you guys can see the results about 35.8%. First of all, guys, is this awesome or not? If awesome, just type there boom on the chat section right now. This is live money, real account. We don't do demo already. This is a real money that tests already the system. They are among the early one to test before you guys, right? Awesome, right? If this is really awesome, just type there boom on the chat section right now. $1,000 return here, about 36 to 40%. This is really out of our target, actually. In fact, actually, when we start to launch this Gold XA3 robot, right? Our target is only about 10% to 20%. In fact, 10% to 20% a month is really insane. But this one is crazy. It can go up to 36 to 40%. It's really thank you to Mr. Market as well. But anyway, my question to all of you here. How many of you want to start with our trading robot? Yes, I'm talking about the Gold XA3 for free. How many of you want to learn how you can start with our trading robot for free? If you want to get started with the robot for free, just type the me on the chat section. How many of you want to start with our trading robot for absolutely free? If you want to start, just type the me. I want to see how many of you excited. Yeah, yes, absolutely free. Yes. Yeah. Let me have a look here. Kamkwan, Puswavari, Esgail, Chong, Ivan, David, Brian, Rahimi, Marcela. Look at that. All the chat section right here. Amazing. Okay. Now, if you want to learn how to start the robot for absolutely for free, stay tuned towards the end of the webinar. I will show you guys how you can start for absolutely for free. Okay, all right. Thank you so much, everyone, for your participation. All right, first of all, I think it's very important for me to share with you guys the disclaimer. Okay, I think this is very important, and I like to remind everyone again, as everyone excited about the Gold XA3 and the potential, but it's always good to remind you all again, especially trading in Forex and gold market, okay? Because trading gold in the Forex market, we still consider as a high risk portfolio. So remember, you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. So before deciding to trade, you should become aware of all the risks associated with trading and seek advice from an independent and suitable licensed financial advisor. Okay, so under no circumstances shall we have any liability to any person or entity for any loss or damage in whole or part caused by, resulting from, or relating to any transactions, or any direct, indirect, special, consequential, or incidental damages or whatsoever. So please trade responsibly, okay? So terms and conditions apply. And when coming to the earning disclaimer as well, as you guys see the result, they all are real result. You can see my student right here. They all know the result they share is real one, okay? We don't custom made, we don't do Photoshop, we don't do those things in our group, okay? All the result right here is real result. So every effort has been made to accurately represent this program and its potential. So the example or the testimonials in this website or this webinar are not to be interpreted as a promise or guaranteed of earning. We never guaranteed anything, okay? So anything to do with the robot gold or robot forex trading involves substantial risk and is not guaranteed to generate profit. So the use of automated trading software does not guarantee financial success or specific trading result. Therefore, all the past performance is not indicative of future performance, and the value of investment can fluctuate, resulting in potential losses. So that's a little bit of earning disclaimer. Okay, now this is my webinar and this is my house, and you have to follow my rules, okay? You have to follow my rules. Number one, in this webinar, I only want positive and nice people in this webinar. If you like positive people and nice people in the webinar, type the positive on the chat section right now. How many of you want to talk, you want to associate with only positive people? If you like to have positive people around, or you are positive people, or you are nice people, type there positive on the chat section right now. Okay, so if you like positive people, type there positive on the chat section. Yeah, thank you so much, everyone. Awesome, right? Type there positive, right? So I only want positive and nice people in this webinar. Okay, number 2, make sure you pay 100% attention. Yes, there's so many things can distract you guys right now. Your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Telegram, your Instagram, your TikTok, and other social media. Only for the next 1 hour. Can you guys promise me? Put that one aside for a while, because I about to announce something is very important and you guys might miss out some of the info. Is that okay, guys? I'll put aside of all these things first, unless if something is really, really urgent, then on you attend, because I want everybody to really get the information that we're about to pass to you guys. Okay. And guys, I really appreciate everybody. You guys are really, interactive. Okay. But there will be time I will ask you guys from stop chatting for a while. Is that okay or not, guys? I will ask you guys to stop chatting for a while and focus on the info that I'm about to give. And then if I ask you guys a question, then you reply me accordingly, because I think when too many chat on the chat section sometime, it can be very, it can cause a distraction. Okay, so I want everybody, let's do this together. We focus on what is the info that I'm about to share with you guys. Okay, the third one, listen to this carefully. Some of you here purposely joined this webinar, not coming to learn, but you just love to spread your negativity. You just like to come to webinar and spoil or give a rude command, spamming the chat box, or like to give a provocative command. I have my team right now is looking at the chat section right now. If we see any of you here purposely give a rude command, negative command, we'll ban you immediately. The best, listen this carefully. If you come here to this webinar with ill intention and you're not coming here to learn, I give you about 20 to 30 seconds right now. Please leave this webinar. Bring your negativity to somewhere else. It's not supposed to be here. Go someone else, okay? So I give you about 20 to 30 seconds right now. Leave this webinar. Is that okay, guys? We give these negative people 20 to 30 seconds. All you need to do right now, just close this browser, because I only want positive and nice people, okay? Anybody that I see that purposely, you can ask a question, but when you ask some question, you can be provocative and everything. I found out it's maybe not relevant. I'll ban you. Not only I ban you right now, I'll ban you also in all my futures webinar. Okay. So this is the in-house rules. Okay. So I think everybody pay attention. I think it's already past 30 seconds. We no longer already have all these negative people. Okay. So as usual, guys, you all ready or not? If you're ready, once again, everybody, welcome to this mega webinar. This is one of the highest attendance ever that we have in our live session. We're going to talk about the unleash the power of artificial intelligence, how you can revolutionize your gold trading, and how you can create your passive income, or how you can boost your monthly returns with Gold XA3 robot. Now, many of you already know me, and because most of you here is within our Ultimate Forex Program community, UFP. But some of you here, you bring your friends, you bring your family also to join and listen live. So I think it is okay that for me to introduce a little bit about myself, okay? My name is Ezone Constantine, and yes, I'm all the way from Malaysia. I'm the founder of Quant Solution Malaysia. And just to share with you guys a little bit about my background, yes, I graduated in Bachelor of Science Petroleum Chemistry. Yes, I'm a former chemical engineer and now changed into the financial market, right? And just to let you all know, I was a former unit trust consultant and also agency supervisor for CIMB Principal, former marketing representative for UOB Kay Hian, and I'm a certified financial technician full member of Society of Technical Analysts UK, and professional. I also obtained professional certificate in Financial Technical Analysis Malaysia, and I am qualified to give analysis on the chart. And because of this as well, I'm also a former guest and keynote speaker for Bursa Malaysia. Yes, I'm a trader, an investor, researcher, and master trainer. And just a couple of years ago, I also featured in the Britishpedia or Encyclopedia of Successful People in Malaysia. All right, so that is a little bit about my background. Okay, so not about me right now. Now it's more about you. Okay, so at least you guys know a little bit about my background. Yeah, and just to add in a little bit, yes, I'm also I managed to enter into a column like Malaysian Reserve. They asked me about to give a quick comment about Malaysian ringgit and US dollar, especially how it's going to go. And in fact, my forecast and prediction is correct during this couple of months. So they always want me to come back again to write a column. Okay. All right. Now it's not about me. It's not. It's more about you. And just to share with you guys, since year 2019, actually, we start with our simple program. It's called Ultimate Forex Program. We guide a lot of beginner and newbie to start in Forex trading or in the gold trading. So we come up with a different tier of learning. We have a UFP Silver, you have Silver Plus, and UFP Gold. Some of you here already take 1 or 2 of our program. And I want to share with you guys, I cannot do all this without all my wonderful teams in Quant Solution. They all are the UFP team. All these coaches right here and all this team right here dedicate their time to continue empower a lot of newbie and beginners. And until today, we already helped 13,897 traders to get or to start it right in Forex and gold trading. Okay. All right. So now we're going to talk about 3 topics for today. Okay. We have 3 topics for today. We will cover number 1. We're going to talk about the introduction to AI and automated trading in the financial market. Number 2, we're going to talk about the features and benefit of the Gold XA3 robots. And then number 3, we're going to talk about how you guys can get started in the UFP auto trade, especially for those who want to start the robot for free. Okay, make sure you stay tuned until the end. You're excited? I'm excited as well. Okay, now let's talk about the introduction to AI and automated trading in the financial market. Now, just want to share with you guys in trading the Forex market or the gold market, one of the most popular trading platform is called MetaTrader 4. It's very popular and currently ranking number 1 for retail traders. In fact, MetaTrader 4 also introduced the latest one, which is MetaTrader 5. But until today, MetaTrader 4 it still remain powerful and relevant. And just to let you guys know, MetaTrader 4 trading platform is already exists since year 2005. It allowed traders to do analysis on the chart, put technical indicators, and trade. MetaTrader also work with a lot of brokers. More than 2,000 brokers around the world is using the same software. So very, very popular for manual trading. Now, not many people know, but I think it's good for me to share with you guys. Actually, since year 2005, automated trading already began. In fact, in Forex trading, robot trading is not something new. It's already been there for almost 20 years, okay? So MetaTrader 4 also introduced a custom strategy or algorithm trading for robot, okay? It's called Expert Advisor. Somebody know how to do coding, combined together with a certain strategy using MQL4, and they inject this to a cloud system. Yeah, what does it mean by cloud system? It's called virtual private server. It's like you have a computer on the cloud that run 24 hours, 5 days a week. It comes with a very steady internet connection, and you don't have to worry about no electricity or blackout. So when coming to meta trading, you can do manual trading or you can do automated trading. So just to let you all know, automated trading in MetaTrader 4 is already been there for almost 18 to 20 years already. But what make it different? Now, what make it different is the introduction of OpenAI, or the artificial intelligence. How many of you here know about ChatGPT? Just type there yes. Or you already use ChatGPT. Okay, now I allow you guys to go ahead and type on the chat section for a while. So how many of you know about artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, the Bar AI, or the Bing? This is just to name a few. Yeah, some of you start to use ChatGPT for your work, for your marketing, for your write-up, for your grammar error. There's so many things. Yeah, some of you already start to use. Now, this open source right now is the one that actually will add in more complexity. Yeah, I can see you guys, right? Yeah, there's a lot of you here. Yeah. So for those who do not know about it, congratulations. Today, you know there is such a thing. It's called artificial intelligence. Really, really brilliant. Okay. So that's why a lot of people right now, they try to come up what is the best prompt. So there's this ChatGPT able to come up with a better output or result, right? Now, when coming to trading, this is what make it different. So when there is artificial intelligence like this, and also we have MetaTrader 4, it does add a complexity in the strategies and the algorithm. And because of that, guys, this is what I share my personal point of view. In future, guys, get ready. Price movement may subject to fluctuation, volatility, traps, and uncertainties, especially in the lower time frame. Now, some of you here already start to realize it's already coming. Now, how many of you trader here, you start to understand when you trade at support and resistance, boom, the price just go beyond your support and resistance. But after somehow it come back again. The price supposed to move in this way. 10, 20 years ago, the chart's supposed to move in this way. But because of this AI, of all this complexity, you guys will realize more fluctuation. It can go up, down, random, even in small time frame. It can go up for a while, it can go down for a while, and it causes some manual trader become stressed and emotional. How many of you know what I'm talking about here? Just type the yes on the chat section. All right. So there's more noise is going to happen. All right. Okay. Good. Thank you so much, everyone, for your participation. Okay. So right now, let's go back again to this. Let's focus on this information. Okay. So let's slow down a little bit a while on the chat section. The myth and the fact. Some of them ask a question. Will automatic trading system will replace manual trading completely in the future? The answer or the fact is no. Automated trading will not replace manual trading. Instead, they will complement each other. Now, some of you here is a trader. I know you're really, really good in manual trading. So when talk about manual trading, that means you look at the chart, you sit down, you analyze the chart, you spend your time, and you trade. Okay, this is called active income. So congratulations. If today you are able to flip a small account to a bigger one, $100 to $1,000, good. $1,000 to $10,000, fantastic. $10,000 to $100,000, boom. Congratulations. You keep on doing what you are good at. Okay, don't stop. If you're a manual trader, you know how to do this. Keep on doing what you're doing at. Okay, now this is what I want to share with you guys. However, automated trading system can help to complete your journey. This is where we're talking about passive income. So what does it mean by passive income? You can generate profit while you're sleeping. It can help you to open and close trade while you're sleeping. While you want to spend your good quality family times, it will do the hard work for you. It will trade for you. When you go for a gathering, reunion with your friends, with your family, with your loved one, or you go to a meeting or attend wedding, this is something that automated trading can help manual trader to complete your journey as a trader. And this is what we call passive income. How many of you love the idea when you're sleeping, when you spend good quality time with your family, when you have a nice gathering or you attend a big event or meeting, there is a system that continue generate passive income for you. How many of you love this idea here? Just type there, boom, on the chat section right now. How many of you love to have this? This is what we call passive income. Passive income means regardless you sleep, you travel, you eat, you meeting, you watch Netflix, you go shopping, it continue generate the income for you. This is what we call passive income. Okay. Now, I want to share with you guys the typical journey for trader. Okay. Normally, trader, they will start the journey as a beginner or as a newbie. Normally, in order for them to kickstart their journey, they will go by attending courses. They go to Telegram signal, they read Telegram, they chase the signal, they watch YouTube, they buy books, and then after somehow they feel good, they start with demo account. They get used with the trading platform. Trade using demo account. Whoa, they start to see a result. And they say that, why not? I put a live money. I put a real money. What? But what happened here? The moment they put real money, their heartbeat start to pump. Boop, bop, boop, bop, boop, bop. All right, because why? Suddenly emotion kick in. There will be time they fear of losing money. There will be time they want more money. They become greedy. But there will be time that they blame themselves. Oh my God, if I know, I should not. If I know, I should not. If I know, they become sad, they become frustrated, and very normal. Trader will face margin call, losing money, get angry, very normal. And what happened? They get up themselves, restart again, attend maybe another courses again. Maybe there are some more skills that maybe they don't know. They learn again, advanced learning, and went again to demo account, start again with live money. All this cycle have to repeat again and again. It may take you 2 to 5 years. Then only they can become consistent and profitable trader. Now, let me ask you guys this question. Dear traders, how many of you still struggling with these challenges? Number one, how many of you still become so emotional when you want to make a decision in trading? Okay, you have a tough battle between fear, between greed, between uncertainty. I want to know, how many of you have this problem? Roller coaster emotion. Yeah? How many of you still struggling with this problem? Just type in me. I want to know. Okay, next one. Time constraint. How many of you facing a tough time because you have a work, you have a business, you have a job? Sometimes it's very difficult for you to have a balanced time because when you want to analyze the chart, it takes you a few hours. And sometimes when you are too busy already, it somehow affects your relationship and your performance of your work too. How many of you have this problem? Okay. Number 3, I want to know, how many of you have this problem? You feel yourself is not good enough. You study fundamental, you study high economic calendar, you study technical analysis, you buy all the book. You're so good. Nothing wrong. You working hard. You do your trend lines, you do your support resistance, supply, demand. You study all the chart pattern, double bottom, triple bottom, head and shoulder. You study candlestick pattern, bullish engulfing hammer. You study Harami. You study the order block. You study breakout strategy. You study reversal. You study Elliott wave. You study Ichimoku. You study smart money concept, you study liquidity grabber, you study harmonic pattern, bat pattern, butterfly pattern, crab pattern, you study point and figure, market and volume profile, you add in RSI, MACD, stochastic, dragonfly, but somehow you still feel not good enough. How many of you have this kind of feeling? Just type in me. Which one? Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Which one that you face the most? And number 4, how many of you here, when you have inconsistent performance, actually deep inside of you, you did feel down. You feel of lack of motivation, especially after losing so much. Sometimes you just feel frustrated, angry, and you feel like you want to blame everyone. How many of you, which one you tell me? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, which one that you struggle the most? Or is it all of it? Is it all of it? All Ibrahim say all. No, say all. Okay, Jeffrey say all. Brian say all. Right? Most of you 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now, let me tell you guys one thing here. Actually, what does every trader actually wish for? To be honest, most of the traders, what they want to learn is actually how they want to learn to feel really calm and steady and less stressed while trading. They want to know also what is the skills that they can sleep well at night. Am I right? Trader also looking forward, like while they can trade, can they have a time freedom too? Like while traveling, while enjoy time with the family, and they don't want to spend too much looking at the chart until they got health problem. What they want to make sure that is all balanced. Okay, and number 3, actually, many traders here is actually they do not like hassle, too many analysis, too sophisticated analysis until they're feeling of not good enough or feeling lacking. What actually trader looking for is actually something that can save the time. Am I right? Yes or not? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? And then I think this is what everybody agree upon. No matter what skills you use, eventually it will come to this. Can you have a consistent profit so that you have a stable future? Which one actually that you wish for? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which one? You tell me honestly right now. Among of all these number 1, 2, 3, 4, which one actually that you really wish for? At the end of the day, how many of you guys can agree with me? Is the profit, is the result. Because the profit and the result, the money that you get will eventually be used for something good. It gives you more choices in life. You can bring your family, you can spend more time with the person that you love. You don't have to worry about your monthly bill. You don't have to worry about your education bill. You don't have to worry about just in case something happened to the country, recession or COVID. In fact, all of us here have a dream that one day you want to have a consistent result. Remember, the real reason you want to learn to trade Forex at the first place is to achieve consistent result. But it's difficult because it takes time. Number 1 is take time, my friend. It's going to take about 2 to 5 years. It's a long journey. Now, of course, some of you feel frustrated, especially some of you think that, oh my God, I'm a slow learner. How many of you think here that yourself is a slow learner? Like me last time, I'm a slow learner too. How many of you think that you're a slow learner? Sometimes you feel like, can I cope with this? I'm not smart enough. Sometimes learning about technical analysis, sometimes you feel not sure whether you're doing the right thing or not. Eventually, you feel like lack of motivation. And you sometimes see that, can I achieve consistent profit or not? Right? So this is the struggle that actually many traders facing. Okay? So now, because of all these things, we'll listen. Because Guys, we not guide 1, 2, 3 people in trading. Until today, it's more than 13,000. We know the pattern. And just to share with you guys, we did a survey. And when we see the survey, we are surprised to see what actually every trader wish for. What actually every trader wish for is actually an automated trading system. Actually, everybody wish that if they can have automated trading or have passive income, they have more choice in their life. They can do something else better. They can spend more time, quality time with what they want to do, like personal development, taking care of their health. Okay, so now beside of all these things, what else inspired our team? Beside of all the story, actually we have a 4th story that we want to share with you guys, and that keep pushing our team right here to continue develop this program until we're gonna make it, right? So right now we start this a special program is called beta mode. We're still in the trial mode, but it's a very interesting journey, especially with all our students here, those who are listening right now. Thank you so much for those who participate in our beta mode. I want to see those students that already joined early on in the beta mode. Just type their number 1 on the chat section. Type their number 1. Yeah, I mean those who are already in the beta mode, you've been through several of the tests, right? Yeah, I can see, right? Now, so there's a 4th story that further inspired us. So I want to share with you guys whether some of you can relate to this. And because of this, we continue to move forward with this program. So I want to share with you guys first a story about a mother and a wife. Okay, guys, this picture I put here is just for illustration purpose because I want to make sure that I don't want to tell who are they and their names. So I just put this one as an illustration purpose. But the story is I have a student. She is a mother and also a wife. Now, COVID-19, how many of you guys remember the time when our nationwide have this restriction? Now, since COVID-19 pandemic, what happened is her husband has lost his job and struggling to get a new one. Okay, her husband starts some side hustle, but lack of experience in starting business. So now this lady, the mother or wife and our students, in order to support money expenditure, she choose Forex to learn. Why? Because at least when she trade at home, she still can spend time with the families. Okay, and at the same time, because of she loved the husband so much, deep inside of her, she feel like she want to help the husband. How many of you can relate to this story here? Just type me. How many of you can start understand actually they're out there, or some of your friends or some of the people that you know is actually have this kind of struggle where the husband is struggled to get a job, but the wife wanted to help. This is called love. This is called love. And they came to me, they say, sir, it's not that I do not want to do a manual trading, but how long I need to become competent. I told them, you may take them about 1 or 2 years. He said that, sir, I don't have that time. If can, I want to see a result as quick, like 2, 3 to 4 months. Then we'll listen. We'll listen. Guys, let me ask you guys a question. COVID-19 pandemic or this kind of virus, in future, let me ask you guys a question. Will there is a chance that this thing can come again? Is there a chance that something similar like this or health crisis may or may not, but may happen again in future? Do you think? And if really can happen in the future, what is our preparation? Are we prepared? You know, it's not easy, but we need to prepare. Okay, we do not know when, but the good thing is we need to prepare before it comes, right? Second story. During COVID pandemic, I'll share with you guys a lot of small and medium business owner really get affected. How many of you here doing business and during COVID, you get affected as well? And one of our students, JS, came to me and he talked to me. He said, sir, In fact, I will tell you a serious thing, sir. I don't mind taking a salary cut for a few months, but I cannot bear to see my staff or my workers unable to receive their monthly wages, monthly salary, as they need to support their family. This is what we call a responsible boss. The boss that loves the worker, the boss that loves the staff. This boss willing to do whatever it takes, and they can feel the pain. If they don't get the salary, they feel guilty that they cannot feed the family. How many of you can relate to this story here? And he said that if I can generate an additional cash flow around 40 to 60K, I will be able to cover my overhead expenses. Now, every small and medium business owner, they're willing to do whatever it takes. Yeah, because sometimes their business get affected, right? So Jeffrey says, story to happen to me, right? So this is the thing. Not only that we listen to a trader story, we listen this kind of story, and we're thinking about, like, imagine a business that have a season and get affected during COVID, what they need to do. Now, those who own a small and medium enterprise, I believe some of you can relate to this story, and you feel like if you can create another additional income, you feel happy that at least your staff and your worker, at least they get by to get a monthly salary. Yeah. All right. So I understand that, right? So this is the story that inspired us as well. Now, the third story that I want to share with you guys is coming from a very professional traders. Okay. This trader is already experienced trader. He's already 15 to 20 years in the market. Yeah. Consistent in trading stock market, consistent trading in the Forex market. Very good. But one day, this student came to me and he said, I have been quite consistent in my trading. However, a question has arisen in my mind. What if I become unable to trade anymore due to unforeseen circumstances? Like, say, for example, accident, death, or permanent disable. So sometimes he asks a question, and this is what he said. Will my wife or my kids be as skilled as me in analyzing the market? My wife right now is already busy taking care of the kids, and my trading routine has limited my time with her. Moreover, I have recently been experiencing some bodily ache and irregularly pattern. How many of you can relate to this? Just type in me. Because sometimes trader, you can look at the chart until mid of the night. You're looking at the news sometimes. And sometimes you sit too long until you get body ache, back ache. Just type in me, those who know what I'm talking about. And you feel like, oh my God. Okay, and I told you guys, I have a friend that looking at the chart too long and sitting down too long until got a kidney stone. I'm not kidding with you guys. Until developed a kidney stone. All right. So yeah, Pascal said, I agree with you guys. My body is so this is the thing asking from this experienced trader. So he said that he's a skillful trader, but he's not sure whether if he passed this knowledge to the wife or to the children, will they be as good as him? So this is the question coming from them. So again, this is also inspired us. Like, imagine even experienced traders start to think already like this. So the only answer is automated trading system. Okay, and I want to share with you guys one more story, but this one is a funny story. Okay, it's coming from Uncle S. Okay, it's a funny story, but I want you all to look at the angle. Okay, now Uncle S, this is what he told us. He said, "Hi, I'm Uncle S. I'm already approaching 70 years old, and I don't want to take life too seriously. So apart from learning Forex, yeah, he's learning Forex with us, yeah, but he's already 70 years old, okay? So he said that I enjoy playing mahjong, card games, and buying lottery tickets. How many of you can relate to this story, especially Chinese family, that you have your uncle, your auntie, or maybe you sometimes, you try to play your luck by buying a number? Just type them me. Those who can relate to this story, just type them me. Like one day you say, oh, I'm going to buy this number. I'm going to hit 1 million, 20 million. Oh, then I don't need to do this anymore. Oh, I don't need to do this. Oh, I can settle this. Oh, I can settle that. How many of you guys can relate to this story? Same go with Uncle S. Same go with Uncle S. And I share with you guys here. Uncle S, sometime in terms of buying all this number, he can easily spend around 4,000 to 9,000 ringgit for next few months. Just to try his luck. Who knows, he said, that he will get the jackpot. He will win the big money. He will win the big lottery. All right? But I want you all to see this angle from this Uncle S. This is what he said. When he spent the money, 4,000 to 9,000 ringgit, or $1,000 to 2,000 US dollar, he don't feel bad about it because why? This is his happy money. This is his disposable income. So that's why he said here, well, this is my disposable income and I don't mind losing it. Now, I want you all to pay attention here. This is what he said. However, there are times when I laugh at myself because I don't even have the luck to win even a consolation prize. So that means this uncle spend 4,000 to almost 9,000 ringgit, sometimes don't even win even one. And he joked with us, if I put 4,000 ringgit to 9,000 ringgit and nothing I can win, might as well, sir, you create a robot, I put 4,000 to 9,000, at least I get a chance to win every week. Can that one happen, sir? Guys, sounds very interesting, right? Sounds very interesting, right? He said that instead of I put in Toto, in Magnum, in all these 4D number, might as well, sir, I put in the system, at least every week I still get a chance to win rather than I don't win at all. Guys, it's a funny way to see it, but this uncle is correct. He said that, sir, if you can create a system, an automated trading system, I rather put the 4,000 here or 2,000 US dollar here, at least I assume that every week I win consolation prize. Just type there, haha, those who can relate to this story. Like this uncle, his angle of looking at things is quite interesting because he likes to buy numbers and he don't mind to spend all, but sometimes he feels frustrated. Even consolation prize, he don't win. Even a 50 ringgit also don't win at all. Right? So he said that, sir, if I put in auto trade program, if even every week I can get consolation prize 50 to 100 ringgit, sir, I'm happy already. Interesting, right? Now, how many of you have a friend that not only play this pot toto or jackpot like this, but they also play the game like casino or apps? Some of them, they say like the A9, or you see your friend, today I play number, put $1,000, $2,000, oh, win. And you guys will find out that some of the friends that play this social casino game, they don't even mind to put 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. Hey, you guys know this game, right? Do you have a friend also ever spend their time in casino, Las Vegas or Macau or Genting? Any of you know Genting here? I have a friend. They don't mind to spend 10, 20K. Sometimes lose everything also. So Uncle S angle is very interesting. And all the four story here is related to one thing. If we can create a passive income, and if this Uncle S, rather than he put his money in the Toto, at least even though he have a risk, this is what we call calculated risk, the question he asked is quite interesting. Is there a chance at least within 1 week I still can win consolation prize? So later I'll share with you guys the features and benefit of Gold XA3. Now, first of all, let me share with you, and we're coming to this topic number 2. We're going to talk about this automated trading robot, which is Gold XA3. This is what we developed in our latest prototype. Okay, so now, first of all, in order for the robot to work efficiently, the rule number 1 is the market must be really, really big. Daily turnover must with a lot of money. All right. So Forex market is perfect to run a robot trading because every day Forex market daily turnover is no longer 6.6 trillion, but is the new record in year 2022. Bank for International Settlement, BIS, already show a new record. 7.5 trillion US dollar a day. Forex market still remain the most liquid market in the world. Now, in terms of market capitalization, it's about 2,409 trillion. So guys, is this huge or not? If you think this is huge, let's just type there, huge. Type there, huge. All right. Okay. So in order to run robot, must have high liquidity. If the financial instrument or the market is too small, it's not effective to run robots. Okay. Now there will be another market here that I want to share with you guys. Another market here is called the metal group. Gold market. Yes, gold market. And just to let you all know, gold market, we put one symbol here. It's called XAU USD. And that is the reason why we name our robot with the word XA, because it represents the gold symbol. Okay, so XAU means gold against the US dollar. Now, gold market, according to gold.org, daily turnover per day for gold market is about 250 billion US dollar. This is huge market. Okay, this is considered fantastic liquidity. And gold market right now capitalization, according to companiesmarketcap.com, gold market capitalization right now is about 11.93 trillion. And what makes gold is so interesting is the volatility. And many of our students is also trading the gold market. And that's the reason gold market is also perfect to run robot. Okay, now let's talk about gold XA3 robot. Why we call it XA? Many of you know XA is represent the gold. And why the number 3? Because this is the third version, 1, 2, 3, version number 3. And the version number 3 right now is interesting. Okay, so let's talk about the 6 features of Gold XA3. Now, for running robot with Gold XA3, you can start with a very, very low capital, as minimum as 1,000 US dollar only. Okay, now I want you all to understand, trading is a business. Okay, trading is a business. If you today start up your company, you start your business with $1,000, it's still considered a very small capital. Okay, $1,000 in trading the market or for you to start a business is still considered very low startup. So Gold XA3 allows somebody to start with minimum as low as 1,000 US dollar. Now, for Gold XA3, we designed the system to have a potential target. Our target is, can this system generate about 10 to 30% per month? Our target is actually around 10%. But the result coming from our student is interesting. Okay, it's interesting. Some of them managed to get last month 40%. Okay, some of them later on I'll show you guys what is the latest result that they have. Okay, now Gold XA3 have a very unique strategy because we combine scalping and intraday with a very interesting multiple time frame analysis. Yes, it is a selective trade. It doesn't trade all the time. You will select. Okay, you will select certain time, you will on, if not, you will off. Now, the cool thing that we like about this Gold XA3 robot is it comes with a very smart filter, especially when gold market have high impact news or medium impact news, especially like NFP, non-farm payroll, consumer price index, CPI, PPI, US interest rate. Okay, we talk about job employment, that one that can make the market volatile. Gold XA3 have a features is called smart filter. That means during the volatile period, it will be less trading or no trading at all. Okay, so that is one of the cool features that we put inside the Gold XA3 robot. Another thing that we add in here is smart hedging. That means we try our best right here to design a system that to have a smart control down. That means if the market suddenly trending really, really crazy, that the system able to neutralize high float loss. Okay, but when the market enter into medium and a sideways market that is between trending and sideways, this system able to not only hedge but also able to generate profits. Okay, and one of the things that we add in here as the feature of Gold XA3 is the hidden take profit level and also hidden stop loss. Why we need to add in this is to avoid stop loss hunter, especially price manipulation that is designed by broker. Yes, there will be time you guys will feel surprised. You put your stop loss, boom, suddenly the stop loss hit, but the price start to go back to your direction. How many of you can relate a little bit? It's because some broker, they can eat a stop loss. Okay, and because of this, we like to put it, we like to hide it, and that make the broker frustrated because they cannot see. Okay, so yes, we do have our cut loss. That's why when you see the students' result, you guys will find out there will be a profit, but there will be losses as well. But at the end of the day, we want more profit that bigger than the cut loss. Okay, so we do have a cut loss as well that we integrate in the system. Okay, so this is the awesome thing about the Gold XA3, and we are excited about it, even though it's a beta mode, right? Now, let's talk about the process flow of, creating an automated trading system. It's not easy. Okay, so first of all, we have to go for a few stages. Normally, it's only 4 stages. Okay, stage 1, what we do is we'll do a back test. That means you can run 2 years, 3 years to 5 years to 10 years data, and right after that, you optimize. But I gotta tell you guys what we learned. When you do a back test, 2-3 years, you optimize until you get a very nice graph. That is only 50% accurate. It's not going to happen like that, right? It's only 50%. So the back test and optimization data cannot be used 100%. Okay, the accuracy or the ideal is only about 50%. That is coming to the stage number 2. The stage number 2 is the most important area, which is you're gonna do a forward test. You're gonna test the live data, and we're going to do another adjustment or optimization. And then from there, we can further improve the accuracy by another 20%. That is why we call it the beta mode stage, but it's already in the real market. Then we're gonna go to the stage number 3, which is live trading, put real money, okay, and do again another adjustment. Because why? When you go for the real life account, you will find out that the market will behave differently with different broker leverage, different spread. Yes, the spread is not the same. Yeah, when you do a demo account, not the same. The slippage is going to be different as well. And the data feed, how fast, how quick, and especially how it behaves in the high impact news. This one is these two, stage 2 and stage 3, is very, very important. Yeah, because this stage 2 and stage 3, it allows us to actually study the beta mode. Okay, and then of course it go for the next 12 to 20 months until it all went through all the cycles. Then only we call it the alpha mode. Okay, but during the beta mode itself, guys, we see very, very, very interesting results. Okay, so I share with you guys here during this when we do the stage 2 beta mode. Okay, so this is when we do a stage 2 beta mode trial. We start with $1,000. Okay, we start with $1,000, then we run it. Okay, so we run it. So in the period of 2 months, okay, in the period of 2 months, this is the result here. The profit that this system of a Gold XA3, okay, from $1,000 capital, it generated profit $1,012. Okay, in ringgit, it's about 4,655. That means in terms of ROI, after 2 months, it generated 101%. Guys, this is not typical return. This is abnormal return. Our target is actually only 10 to 20% a month. This one, if you divide it by 2 months, is almost like 50% a month. Now let's talk about the drawdown. Drawdown means what is the official highest number when it comes to cut loss. So during the period when we realized that the highest level of cut loss it ever achieved is around $71.85. Okay, so you have to understand, realized cut loss and float losses is two different things. Okay, but when we design Gold XA3, our idea is actually wanted to make the drawdown less than 30 to 40%. Okay, but think about it. Even $1,000, if traders are looking in certain angle, even $1,000 is still considered very small. Okay, risking $1,000 is actually in the real trading world, $1,000 is still considered very small capital. Okay, but when we look at this data, we say, hey, why not? This data is so interesting. Let's get ready here and test even with the real money, live data. Okay, so when we test into a live data, we see a very interesting results. So Gold XA3, we put real money. Our student put real money. Okay, this is we want to show you guys beta mode stage number 2. This is those who are familiar with third-party history and data, such like my FX book. Okay, my FX book is they can check. Okay, especially when you check. There's a track record verified, a trading privilege verified. This data means is real, is live. Okay, so here we put capital of $1,000, but the broker giving extra $500. So actually we that's why when you guys see the data here is actually 68% because they calculate together with the bonus. Okay, in fact this one is only start with $1,000. Okay, so this one is running at a period of 1 month and 3 weeks. Is already generated profit 802. So guys, let me ask you guys this question. Is this fantastic or not? 1 month and 3 weeks, it generated ROI 80%. Okay, 80%. Okay, let me show you guys a little bit here. Okay, show you guys a little bit here. Okay, let me have a look. Okay. Okay. All right. So can you guys see this? Is that awesome? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay. All right, let me have a look first, yeah? Okay, can you guys see this? Okay, give me a moment, guys. All right, awesome, right? Okay, so I tried to share with you guys this screen. Give me a moment for a while. Okay, so let me refresh this again. Give me a moment, guys. Okay. So we're back. Can you all hear me? Okay. Can you all hear me? No voice? Stay cool. Okay. All right, we're back. Can you all see me right now? Yes. If yes, just type the yes on the chat section. We're still back. Okay, just type the yes. Okay, can you all see me and can you all hear me? If yes, just go ahead there, type the yes. Okay, all good? Okay, all good. Okay, now I want to show you guys this My FX book. Yeah, this is a third-party website that actually record all the trading. Okay, just want to show you guys that this is real data. Okay, so you guys can see here that we started with $1,000. This one is started on the 1st May. Okay, 1st May. Okay, you guys can see here until June. Okay, until June. So it started with $1,000. And right now it's already profiting $802. That means it's about 80%. Look at the drawdown right here, it's about 7.03%. As usual, we tell you guys we want to keep it less than 30 to 40%. Guys, is this awesome on even a beta mode? But the result is really interesting. And I want to share with you guys, this robot is also already went through all the crazy volatile movement during the high impact news as well. Guys, if you think this is awesome, type there boom on the chat section. Yeah, track record verified, trading privilege verified. These two is the most important check mark. Yeah. Okay, just want to share with you guys. If you think it's awesome, type there boom. on the chat section right now. Okay, awesome. Okay. You guys are amazing. Okay, and you see, there's always something like student ask a question, but sir, if something good, let us try. Let us try. Okay, now, because of this thing is good, we share and we invite our members to try, and not one, not two participate. Guys, 165 traders join and test the Gold XA3 with real money. No more demo account, okay? We don't test demo account. It's a pass. We want to test directly with real money. 165 traders participate also in this beta mode, and I share you guys the result. Okay, I share you guys the result. So this guy, this person, his name is OL Chuan. Okay, he start with $1,000. Okay, running 10 days with our system. He generate profit about 20%. Guys, 20% within 10 active trading days, and generate $201, which is around 924 ringgit. Is that awesome or not? Just type the awesome. Is that awesome or not? Yeah? If you're awesome, just type the awesome. Imagine if Uncle S, you know Uncle S that like to play the Toto and the jackpot. Imagine Uncle S start with 4,000. After 10 days, does he get his consolation prize at least? Yes or not? That's the reason Uncle S already started. He says, sir, I don't care already. I don't want to play jackpot already. I want to play Gold XA3. More fun. More fun than play those things. At least this one, every week I win consolation prize. A very interesting way to see it in that angle. Am I right or not? Okay. Right. Is that also or not? Right. Okay. Next one. I want to share with you guys. E Yang. I think this person is here as well, right? E Yang also start with $1,000. Okay. After 16 days of trading, you guys can see here, it generate profit of $281, which is $1,292. The ROI is 28%. He also already withdraw $200 and celebrated. And the most interesting part that we want to share with you guys, 100% automatic passive income. Guys, is that awesome or not? Just type there, boom, on the chat section. Passive income, 100% automatic. He might be watching Netflix during the time. Maybe he watch, Korean drama series, still sarang he yode. Or, all right, or maybe having a time shopping with the person that they love. But bam, passive income. This is what inspired us. This is what we want to see. Guys, this is the students member that already tried. This is real money, real account. Okay. We also have our friend traders here, brother Nor Badrul, start with $1,000. Okay. So he started on the 15th May, about 1 month and 1 week. Okay. His result is somewhere around 60%, guys. 60%. Is that insane or not? Right? 60%. We also quite surprised. Right? He generated about 601. He showed his MetaTrader 4 here. Sir, this is my result. 601, which is around 2,764 ringgit. So he generated about 60%. And guys, again, 100% automatic. Okay? Next, Mr. T. I think some of you know Mr. T. Mr. T have different risk appetite. Okay, each of you have different pocket. Some of them they say, sir, I'm willing to take calculated risk, $1,000. But for Mr. T, $1,000 is small. I can start with $10,000. And you know what he did? He take $1,000. He put $1,000 in each different account. $1,000, $1,000, $1,000. So he put 10 accounts. And after 1 month and 3 weeks, he generated $8,000 profit, which is 36,800 ringgit. His ROI is 80%. Guys, do you think it's awesome or not? If you think this is awesome, just type the awesome on the chat section. 100% automatic. And for him, 36,800, he just say, this is very nice to have a dinner. But he don't stop there, guys. What he did is something is really insane. He just said that, it's not the time for me to reap first. And you know what he did? He take all this profit, he opened again another 8 more accounts. So total today, he got 18, is coming to 20 accounts. So he want to play, he want to roll it, okay? Is based on your creativity. So you want to roll it maybe up to 20, 30, 40, and then after that, let it generate passive income. So the cool thing is, those who have this, different risk appetite, because some of you here, 10,000 is still very, very small. I have a student, 500,000 also still very small for them. They're willing to take calculated risk. So I want to share with you guys that we have different traders, okay? But Mr. T is one of among the awesome traders that we have also. And we have so many of them as well, okay? Now, this is the big question here, guys. Get ready. How many of you want to be just like them? How many of you want to be just like them? And how many of you want to start this robot for absolutely free? Just type the me. How many of you want this? Just type the me on the chat section right now. How many of you want to start? Not only just like them, but you can start it for free. I want to see how many of you want to start this for free. Just type the me on the chat section. I want to see how many of you. Come on. Look at the chat section right here. Okay, yes, we want to give everybody a chance to try. Okay, you try for free. Yeah, you make your profit, 100% is yours. Go, okay? If you get the result, share with us. We want this happiness, the joy you share, okay? And we want to see how the robot can help you guys as well to generate passive income. So for those who want to know how to get started with this robot for free, so stay tuned towards the end of the webinar, okay? All right. Now, we're coming to the topic number 3 right now. How to get started with UFP Auto Trade. Now, to start with UFP Auto Trade is basically simple step, okay? It's only 3 steps. Number 1, you register our UFP Auto Trade online learning portal. You will key in, you register your username, your password, you straight away log into our special online learning portal. Step number 2, very easy. Fund your trading account and just follow exactly the video tutorials. Quick tips, please be patient. I know you're excited, but please don't rush. Do everything accordingly. So, because if you do everything accordingly, it will allow you to have a good start. And then last step, simple. Activate your auto trade and see your result within your first 5 trading days. How many of you guys excited right now? Just type the excited on the chat section right now. Kingsley say, what is the risk, sir? Later we talk about the risk, but just now I show you the the drawdown, right? We have a drawdown around 7%. Okay, and after that the trade recovered the drawdown. Okay, it can have also float around 200 to 300, but right now with our improved version, the highest float is around 250 to 300, but after that the trade recovers, so it's all good. Okay, as for now, our robot running smooth. Okay, our robot running smooth, especially when during the crazy period of time. Okay, so how many are excited right now? Just type the excited. Okay, all right, awesome. Okay, so now in order to run auto trade program, I want to educate everybody here. Okay, in order for the robot to run really smooth, the most important things is also not only the tools that we have, but we need to have this virtual private server. It's called VPS. VPS means like you have a computer, but it's on the cloud, but it provides you 24-hour access to the internet. Okay, so that's the cool thing about having a virtual private server. Number 2, okay, it saves your electricity bill. Instead of you running at home, you run it at the cloud because the data will continue run. So you don't have to worry about your house, no electricity, or suddenly your house, your neighborhood have no electricity or blackout. You don't have to worry about that one. Or your Wi-Fi suddenly cut off. You don't want to worry about that one. Okay. And the important about the virtual private server is we want to have a consistent high-speed connection, because guys, market move very quick. Market move very fast. So you need to have an efficient connection that direct to the server. And most important part is a high quality VPS must have a good data and security. That is the 4 important features that you need to have in a premium private server. Now, normally in the premium VPS, it usually costs you guys, for those who don't know, in terms of just setting up, it's already costs you $100. And then per month subscription, there's another $67. This is a normal price for a premium VPS. So imagine if you have 10 trading accounts, how much does it cost you? Okay, now, it's not that. These costs still not include that you yourself have to optimize. You need to put the technical. You need to understand when is the technical maintenance going to coming in. You are the one need to do all the technical settings in the integration. That one is not included yet. Now, a lot of people think that running robot is that simple. The answer is no. But I have a good news for you guys, right? You don't have to do all this, because here in UFP Auto Trade, everything is done for you. Guys, type there boom on the chat section if this is something that you want. Done for you. You don't have to headache about a high quality VPS we choose for you guys. You don't have to headache about how to optimize, how to integrate, how to adjust, how to do the setting, how to download, how to install. Forget about that one. You want to, everything is done for you. Save your time, save your money, hassle-free. And a lot of people don't understand. Actually, running a robot is not everything 100% 24 hours. There will be time that your VPS will have an upgrade. There will be a technical server, or your broker have the loss of connection sometime maybe, or have an error. This is where humans still need to go and check, human intervention. And don't worry, guys. We have our team working all around the clock. Done. Everything is done for you. It's called DIY, done for you. You don't need to do all these things. Let the team work hard for you. Let the team check for you. Your job is just to go and watch Netflix, go and shopping, spend more time with your kids, all right? And you just look at your trade. And the best part is withdraw your profit. That's all only that you need to do. All this integration and sophisticated part, leave it to the team. Done. Everything is done for you guys. All right. Now, when we're talking about broker service, I want to share with everybody here. When you open your trading account, each of your trading account have specific VPS. It's a standalone. So that means if the broker server send the price action or the connectivity, we want direct to the brokers. Okay, because we want to have efficiency with the data speed. It's called latency. Okay, so if you open not one, not two, but you open more than 10, each of your trading account will have specific standalone VPS. Okay, standalone VPS, because we want everything to be efficient. We want your trading account to be as near to the broker server. This will help you guys to reduce error, price slippage, and other technical error. Okay, we do all this for you so that you can have the efficient and accuracy on your trade. Okay, that's why those who join our program, we let you guys know each of your trading account is a standalone VPS. Our team will check one by one, each of it. Did you know that? UFP team is one of the most dedicated and best customer support that you guys gonna get. And I'm very proud to all my team and to all UFP Auto Trade team right now. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. You all work really, really hard day and night to make sure that everything is running smooth, including that you need to intervene as a human, right? Not everything is 100%. We have a dashboard. We can check if there is an error, there is something there, we will check for you guys. You just let the trade or auto trade run automatically. Let all the hassle is done by the team. Okay. Now I want to tell everybody here, caution, we do not involve in copy trading or trade copier, or we'll do multiple account management, MEM or PAM. We don't do those things. Here, if you open your trading account, you open your own trading account, you put your money in your own trading account, your broker, your own platform. Okay? You don't give your money to somebody else to trade for you guys. That is called MEM and PAM. We don't do those things. Everything is yours. It's under your name, under your account. That means only you can take the money in and can take the money out. And copy trading is dangerous, guys. I tell you guys why. Say, for example, this is the broker servers. Send the signal directly to the first level. Somebody do copy trade. Did you know there is a delay? Guys, type the aha if you learn something. And I'll tell you guys one thing. Did you know that even 1 second delay, 1 saat delay, can affect 35 to 40% of your result? And imagine from second level, copy again, another second delay. And then those who copy again, fourth level, it can have 4 to 5 second delay. Did you know that this can cause a lot of problem? That's why some of you, those who do a copy trade, you didn't realize why my result is not the same with the master account. Because of this, you are too far from the direct feed, direct data from the broker servers. So we do not want this. We do not involve in copy trade. All of you that participate in our program, everything will be direct to the server. Everything is a standalone so that you have the high accuracy and efficiency. Is that awesome or not? Just type there, boom, on the chat section. That's why some of you ask me, so what happened to, I joined some of the group, they do a copy trade, I joined. I say, did you know that your copy trade in which level? Some of them, they didn't know. They are the 4th level. They're taking copy after copy after copy. Is too late. And in trading, you cannot have delay more than 2 or 1 second. It's too late already. Okay. So I want to tell you guys, in our program, we don't do copy trading. We don't do trade copier, MEM or PAM. Okay. Everything is a standalone system. All right. Now, Gold XA3 is a very different system, okay? We don't do compounding. Like say, for example, from $1,000, you manage to grow your account to $2,000, and then we adjust the lot size. For the time being, we don't do that. If you want to earn more, you open more trading account, okay? That means if you make more money, if you want to roll it, you can by just open another new trading account. If you want to have more, say, for example, like you guys think like Mr. T, you can open 10 different accounts. So each of it, you put 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Okay? Guys, remember, this is trading. We are not investing. So trading have to come up with specific ideas, specific capital with specific size. Okay? So for the time being, Gold XA3 running very okay. With one account, you put 1K. Okay? So that means if you put 2,000 in the same account, the output remain the same. So that doesn't mean if the more you put in the same account, the more you get income. Not for Gold XA3. If you want to make more, open another extra account. Okay. So guys, I hope that you all clear. If you want to make more money, open new trading account and you fund deposit $1,000. If you make again money, you put $1,000 again. Now, some of you want to be like Mr. T. Mr. T, like after 10, he get all this profit here, he continue open another new account. So he have a target maybe around 30 to 40. Once he achieve this number, he want to take all this as a passive income. Now, each and every of you have different objective. Some of you, you just want to put one account and that's it. Everything that coming from this robot, the profit you want to take every week. It's up to you guys. Some of you want to roll from one account become two become three. Go ahead. Take your time. It's all up to your creativity. Okay? All right. I have a good news for you all. How many of you like a good news here? Just type there, good news. How many of you want to have a good news here? Just type the good news. I have not one, not two, but I have 3 good news to all of you, those who join this webinar live. Yes, 3 good news. Okay, 3 good news, not 1, not 2, but 3. That is the cool thing when you join this live session. Okay, how many of you want to get ready for the good news? Okay, so of course, some of you ask me a question like, sir, assume if we join this program, I am very sure. Some of you ask us questions, sir, definitely there is a fee. It's true. Definitely there's a fee every month. Okay, now this is a special thing, yeah, especially those who join this webinar live, and especially those who deposit and activate your trading account within the next 24 hours. We'd like to give you these 3 wonderful news. Okay, first, of course, if everything is okay, of course, there is a subscription fee because we are getting everything for you, done for you, including your VPS, your technical support, everything is done for you guys. So now, let's talk about the first good news. Those who join this beta mode or the trial mode will give you a fantastic subscription fee every month. Normal price is about 419 ringgit per month per account. This one is based on per account. Okay, so which is about $90 per month. Now, those who sign up for the next 24 hours, you will automatically get the trial price, only $219 for the next 12 to 24 months. Is that awesome or not? Just type there, awesome. Yes, Daniel, if you activate today, you are entitled already. Yeah, not 1-2 months, for the next 12 to 24 months until we end our trial price. You will continuously get the trial price. But once those who miss out the window, normal price is $419. So this is the first good news for you guys. You get a 50% crazy discount. Okay? Yes, and you will get this special price for a very long period of time. It can, until our trial mode ended, it can be for the next 12 to 24 months. You will continue to get a very, 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 very low trial price. Okay? Now, I want everybody to be clear here. This subscription fee, every time that, say for example, if everything is okay, every time that you subscribe, this fee is non-refundable. I want everybody to be clear. This fee is not refundable. Because why? Because when you renew your subscription fee, we will quickly book the VPS already for you guys. We will pay already upfront, so that we want to make sure that your system continue running. So whether you run or not running, once we already booking the slot, it cannot be reversed. So I want everybody to be clear, the fee is not refundable. So just in case you want to stop subscribe, you can tell to our customer support, beginning next month, you say that I want to stop subscribe, then we will put in the system, we will stop subscribe. But once it's already paid, our system, our team will not waste any time. We will straight away get and renew your VPS and all the other service include inside. So just type that clear first if everybody get this idea. Fee is non-refundable. Okay, fee is not refundable. I just want to make sure everybody clear. So once you renew already, once it get charged, it cannot be reversed. Because the moment it charged, our system within a split hour, we straight away book your slot. And you say, oh sir, but this month I don't plan to use. It's done. Okay, so you have to tell us early, like 7 days before you're about to charge you guys. If you want to stop, tell us, then we will quickly stop your subscription. Okay, so we are very flexible, yeah. So don't worry, guys. Our technical support is very flexible on this. Okay, all right. I want everybody to be clear first. Don't worry. Our billing will help you guys. Yeah. Okay. Now, second good news. Are you all ready or not? It's not only that we give you a special trial price if you activate or you fund your trading account for the next 24 hours, but for the first 3 months, we will sponsor your program. 100% we pay on behalf of you. We will pay. We use our own pocket money to pay. So we will give you not 1 month, not 2 months, but we will give you 3 months free subscription. Is that amazing or not? If that is amazing, just type there, boom. This is a gift from us to all of you because you're willing to try our program. The first 3 months, no need to pay any cent. No need to pay any amount. All this subscription fee, all fully sponsored by us. You only will pay on the 4th month. Is everybody clear not? 3 months, not 1 month, not 2 months, 3 months. So for the next 3 months, you try whatever profit that you make from the system, it's all yours. Go ahead. Share your happiness. So maybe on the second, third month, maybe some of you here, maybe there's a potential already to get 100%. Congratulations. We want you to try. Okay? Is this awesome or not? So we got 2 good news for you guys. Okay? Now, let's go for the 3rd good news. Are you all ready or not? Are you all ready or not? Just type there ready if you're ready. I'm going to give you guys another 3rd good news. Are you all ready or not? Just type there ready if you're ready or not. Okay? It's not only I give you 2 good news. Get ready for the next good news. Just type there ready, ready, ready. Okay? The 3rd good news is not only limit up to 1 account, but we will sponsor up to 10 trading accounts absolutely for free for you guys. Okay? So say, for example, month number 1, you say that I want to try with 5 trading accounts. Go ahead. We will give you for absolutely free. Or maybe the month number 1, you straight away want to go up to 10 trading accounts. We will pay. We will sponsor all this for you guys, but limit up to maximum 10. Please don't go more than this. If you go more than this, you have to pay already. This is our awesome gift for you guys. So if the month number 1, you straight away start with 10 trading accounts, free. Okay, or you want to do it step by step, like maybe month number 1, you start with 5 trading accounts first. And then month number 2, you say that, oh, I want to add another 5. So that's mean you maximum up to go for 10. As long as it enter month number 2, it's also for free. Okay, and then it goes to month number 3, it's also for free. Did you know that how much already you save? You save 1,000 ringgit plus, which is $238 for your first month. You also save $470. You also saved $470 here. Did you know that how much already you save here? A lot. Why? We will pay this. Because why? We appreciate you guys. Okay? You want to be part of this beta trial mode. So, not only we give 3 months, but we give you up to 10 trading accounts. We will sponsor you guys. Okay, but when coming to the 4th month, we'll start to charge already. So that's mean 10 trading accounts times 219. That's mean the service fee is about 2190. Okay, or which is about $470 US. And of course, along the way, if you add in more trading accounts, you will pay accordingly. Guys, is this amazing news or not for you guys? Yeah. Type the amazing if you think that this is amazing, right? Yes, not up to 1, but it's up to 10 trading accounts. As long that within the first 3 months here, any numbers, as long the day 1 that you start, yeah, we will start to counting. You can add anything in between, all the period within 3 months, all for free, up to 10 trading accounts. Okay? It's amazing. Okay, and then only the 4th month, we will start charging you guys. Okay, and yes, you can stop also anytime you want. Okay, we are very, very flexible as well. Guys, I want to give you guys one more good news. Are you all ready or not? I'm going to give you guys one more awesome news. One more. I have one more awesome news. Just type there ready if you're ready. I have one more awesome announcement I want to share with you guys. One more. Okay. All right. Are you ready or not? Okay. Kenny say, can I start with one account but deposit 10K? No, Kenny. Yes, you can. You can start with one account, deposit 10K. It's up to you. Okay. But we will charge you one. But Kenny, the output will be the same. Okay. So if you put 10K in one account, the output remain the same. Okay. But if you want to have maximum output, divide it into 10. But it's up to you. We never stop you guys. Okay. Minimum is 1K per account. Okay, you can go to 10K, but the output is still remain the same. Okay, it maybe help you generate around $200 to $400 per month. Okay, so even though you put 20, 30K, 40K, the output is the same. Okay, so yes, we also charge you based on the trading account. Now, guys, I have one more awesome announcement for you guys. Are you all ready? Ready? Okay, those who also sign up for the next 24 hours, right? Okay. Those who activate within this period of time, I have a good news for you guys as well. For the very first time, UFP launched an affiliate program. It's called UFP Affiliate Program. Now, some of you here, you love to share this program to your friends, to your family, to the people that nearby to you. And they also would like to participate in this program. And they like to join this program. Okay, so guys, those who join, your friends, your family that you refer in this program, all of them also, we will give them the first 3 months for free. Are you all clear with that? No, we will give them, each of them also 3 months free trial. Okay, but the moment your friends or your referrals start to renew their membership or they renew their subscription fee, we would like to appreciate all the member by giving you all 30% referral bonus. Is that awesome or not? So that's mean if one of your referral here renew 219 ringgit, we will give you 66 ringgit as a referral bonus. Is that awesome or not, guys? Is that awesome or not? Just type there, awesome. All right, type the awesome, right? So we will give you guys a referral. You like it or not, we will still give you. You say, sir, please, I just refer. I don't want it. No, we still give. Okay. So yes, so it's about 14 US dollar per month. Yes, this is our affiliate program. Yeah. Remember, guys, this is only direct referral. Please, I want to make it clear. This is not multi-level marketing or pyramid scheme. No, this is only a simple affiliate program. But we see here, there is a potential for some of you here to create this one as your passive income. All right. Now, let me share with you guys again, one more good news. When we coming to affiliate program, it's not about the total people. We are talking about within the people that you refer, how many total accounts that they manage to activate. So the first 1 to 99 accounts, each of the renewal package, you will get 30%. Now, anything that is above 100, we will pay you guys even higher, up to 35%. Guys, type there, boom, on the chat section right now. Okay. All right. Yes. So let me ask you guys this one question. What if one day that you refer this to your friend, refer this to your family, you refer around your network, and then one day, say for example, you achieve about 95 active accounts. Okay, maybe 20, 30 people, but altogether is 95 active accounts. But just imagine one thing. If 95 active accounts and you get times 66 ringgit every month, you are generating 6,270 ringgit per month. Let me ask you guys first this question. If you have additional extra 6,000 ringgit every month or extra 1,600 US dollar, will that help you or not? Yes or no? Will that help you or not? Okay. Now, this one is only for your new referral. This one is not for yourself. Okay. So if you open an account for yourself, it's not allowed. It must be a new people, okay, that you bring to this program, that you refer. Now, why we do this is because we want this program to be powerful. We want this program to be not only that you're able to generate income from your trade, but imagine this, guys. You have two passive income. One is generated from your automated trading. And second, if you refer more, you also generate another passive income, which is coming from your affiliate program. Guys, imagine you can earn two passive income every month. Imagine that you can earn 4 to 5 figure consistently every month. Will that help you guys to change your life or not? Yes, right? So this is what we want to see. So guys, let me share with you guys something here. You guys listen, right? All of us listen this together. This is just beginning of our program. And why I say this program is going to be fantastic business or your side hustle is because, number one, your automated trading system that can create passive income, that is one of the things that is already, I can say, is a fantastic program. Number two, affiliate program. Each time that the people that you renew, you refer and they renew the program, you get about 30 to 35%. Imagine that you can earn two passive income at the same time. I believe, we all believe here, that this may change some of your life. I think maybe some of you here, those who are listening to us live right now, maybe this is the one that you guys have been waiting for. If those who know what I'm talking about right now, type the boom on the chat section right now. Because I know some of you here one day, not only that you're able to earn automated trading income, passive income here, but I think some of you here will make not just 5 figures, but make 6 figures every month. I know some of you here one day will achieve this. Not 10,000, not 40,000, but I think some of you one day that we will coming back again and talk about affiliate programs, some of you may achieve a 6-figure income every month. Well, this is the one that may allow you guys to start to live the dream lifestyle that you want. Traveling, spend more time with your kids. All these two is passive income. Every time your member renew, you get some percentage from it. So guys, I also have one more good news for you guys. For those who join our affiliate program, just in case anything happened to you, like say for example, unforeseen circumstances like death, or suddenly you got accident or permanent disabled. In our program later on, you can put the name of your next kin. You can put the beneficiary. You can put your spouse, your husband, your wife, your children, anyone close to you. So just in case if anything happened to you, this commission and this bonus will continue go to your family. Guys, is this fantastic or not? If yes, type there fantastic on the chat section. That means it's not only you. As long as our program continue, we want your family to continue receive this benefit. So you don't have to worry already, just in case anything happened to you. So you work hard right now, and just in case anything happened to you, our team will contact your next of kin. Your family will continue receive all these bonus. So you don't have to worry whatever happened to you, or you're permanently disabled or what. Okay, so there will be part that later on you need to key in who's the next of your kin, what is the number, because we will contact them. And if anything happened to you, all the money will go to the person that you select. Okay, now this is for us, I think is very important. So that if just in case something happened to you, right? your next of kin can continue living the life. So guys, I want to share with you guys, we're not only creating a powerful automatic trading system here, guys. We want to build a powerful community. We want to be successful together with you guys. We want to see that one day you're able to change your life. We want to see that one day that money is no longer a problem for you guys. You should live happier. You should make more choices. You don't want to argue already about where to eat, where to buy. You don't want to talk already about which schools that you want to send your children. You don't want to talk already about how much is the insurance, how much is the medical bill. We want you to have a big change in your life. Guys, this is the beginning of a new era in trading. Not only that we create a powerful trading system, we will continue build until we get a powerful result. But at the same time, our UFP affiliate may change your life too, because we're talking about this is going to be a perfect passive income for you guys. So when you get this money, you can do anything that you want. You want to invest, you want to buy properties, you want to trade, you want to turn it around, you want to open more account. It gives you guys more choice. Guys, we want to build this community together. So I want you all to type the community. This is the beginning. We want to celebrate together. If successful, this program is going to go big, guys. Get ready. We're going to go through several countries together. In Southeast Asia, Australia, New Zealand. We want to make sure that this new wave will start to move. You will start to have more network. Not only within your friends. You want to open more network. Okay? Right. And all these things that you build one day is also going to benefit to your next family. So that is the difference when you guys build a community with us. This is the beginning, guys. Tonight, for those who are listening, for today, those who are listening today, right now, your life is about to change. We will make this one happen, guys. We will make this happen. And today, okay, just want to share with you guys, our team right now in the process of upgrading our portal so that next time you're able to have a personalized link. You can send the link to your friends, to your network, to your business, to your referral. They can watch the presentations, okay? You don't have to do all the presentation. Let them watch, they learn together, and if they're excited, they would like to join. In the portal as well, you can see how many total members that you have. Not only have how many total members that you have, we also would like to build the system that you can see what is the total accounts that you're going to get every month, so that you know what is the estimated payout. Okay? All right. So for the time being, we do manually everything first. And guys, please chat with our technical support. If you really have a friends that you refer directly, chat with our team. You say that, okay, Amy Chong is brought by me. Don't worry, guys. We will do manually first. We are in the process of to upgrade our portal. Once everything is done, we will announce to you guys. Okay? Oh, this is really, really awesome, guys. Okay, so once everything is okay, guys, imagine that you can have your own website. We will build a website for you guys, right? All the template is already done for you guys, so you can share to your fan page. You can share this, and then you also can create a program. Okay, so to invite more people to join this program. Okay, so we will have this affiliate program, and we will upgrade this portal very soon. We're going to build this for the next 2 to 3 months, so you're able to see all this. Okay, oh, awesome. And those who are listening to me right now, guys, today not only are traders that listen to this program live, we also have influencer. We have a key opinion leaders. I know in this webinar right now, there's a mentor, there's a guru, there's an educator in financial market as well, in trading as well. Guys, listen this. If you are a mentor, you are a guru, you are educator, I want to tell this to you right now. There is no such thing as competition. We never compete. I don't believe in competition. The market is too big. I would like like to collaborate and I like to join venture with you. Yes, we have a special collaboration. If those who mentor, guru, and educator chat with our team, you're going to have a set appointment. You and me, we will discuss together. And of course, yes, we will give you a better deal. That is for sure. So if you're a mentor today, you are a guru, you're an educator, you have a lot of followers, you want this program to also empower your followers, chat with our team. We will set appointment. You, me, and the team, we can have a Zoom session together, discussion together. We enter collaboration. And this collaboration right here, definitely you will have slightly better deals compared to the normal affiliate programs. Okay, so all the teachers, mentor, guru, educator, I will tell you guys right here, we never compete. There's no competition actually. Let's work together. Let's build this community together. Let's make this one happen. I am happy to collaborate. I am happy to have a joint venture with you. Those who are listening to me right now, yes, chat later on with my team support. Tell them who you are, how many totals of member that you have right now. We're going to set appointment together. We will plan a program that how we can empower your followers together. We are ready, guys. We are ready. Okay. So CK2 said, for affiliate, my friend got 3 months free trial. Yes. So if you refer this program to your friend, all of them also will get 3 months free. Okay. The first 3 months is free, but the moment the 4th month they start to renew their program, you will start to get your referral bonus. Okay, so for the time being, our team will do all this manually first. We are in the process of upgrading our portal. All right, so that is the awesome thing. And the cool thing right here, when you join venture with us, you collaborate with us, or you affiliate with us, there will be time that the people that you bring have a lot of question, technical question. Okay, don't worry, guys. You don't have to answer everything. Here in UFP Auto Trade, we have a friendly customer support and technical support. We will help you to answer on behalf of you. Is that awesome or not? So if, say, for example, you bring your referral about 100 to 200, you don't have to answer all the questions, okay? Especially involved in the technical part. Let all of them answer. Let our team answer on behalf of you. It saves your time too. Is that good or not? Just that they're good. Okay, so for the time being, our language that we will do right now is our team can support in English, Bahasa, and very soon, yes, we also ready to support in Mandarin. But as this can grow bigger, we would like to add in more languages. Okay, and I want to share with you guys, those who listen to me right now live today. If for those who can see this as an opportunity, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time anymore. Enroll in this program and also start to chat with our technical support. If you are mentor, gurus, and educators, you want to collaborate, don't waste time already. Get appointment. We are ready to discuss. We are ready to join venture and collaborate. Let's this program right here empower more of your people. Okay, now let's go for the frequent asked question here. We have a lot of students who would like to ask a question. So the first frequent asked question, do I have a risk of losing my initial capital? That means if you put your $1,000 today, is there a risk that you will hit margin call and lose just in case the market go to something that we never see before? The answer is yes. Okay, I will tell you right now. Okay, it's not that I don't want to tell you later. Later you say that I don't tell you at the early, I don't inform you at the early stage. I don't want you to disappointed later. I rather tell you guys right now. And I'm a person, I don't like to sugarcoating. Okay, this program have a risk. Okay, this program have a risk. That's why we still put this one under high risk trading. So please put in your mind right here. The moment, say for example, you put your $1,000. That means in your mind right now, you willing to take 100% risk. Just in case anything happen, you still can sleep well at night. Okay? So please only trade with the amount you can afford to lose. If you like to add more, also ask the same question. If the more you add, you ask again, am I willing to take the risk? Like Mr. T, he put up to $10,000. For him, $10,000 is small. losing that, taking that risk, he still can sleep at night. Okay, so ask yourself, right? So if you can risk, you have the amount that you afford to lose, then you can start with this program. Okay, remember, this is a high risk trading. Question number 2, how about brokers platform? Use yourself or use the one that we recommend. So yes, you have to use the broker that we recommend. We have 2 brokers that we recommend. We have broker 1 and broker number 2. Why you need to use the broker that we recommend is because the data is already optimized and our back end, which is our dashboard, already linked directly with the broker's data as well. So we work together with higher tiers. So we have a lot of discussion with the broker 1 and 2, right? So now our dashboard, because we need to see what happened on your trading and link to our system. So it is compulsory to use broker that we recommend. Now, some of you ask a question, what if in future, will you guys change a broker as well? Yes, we will change the broker in future if we found out that the current broker will become less efficient or is not efficient anymore. We will change. We will let you guys know. For the time being, we have 2 brokers. Choose accordingly, okay? And follow the step-by-step guide that we will give you guys later on in the online learning portals, okay? Now, the next question also coming. Will the robot have improvement and upgrading? Some of you ask a question. The market continue change. The market continue change the behavior. Will this robot can sustain? We agree. We agree. The market can change. And that is the function of our R&D team. Yes, we will constantly upgrade. If there's things that we found out we're ready to adjust, we will adjust according to the market behavior. Market can have a 3-month cycle. They can change the pattern. So usually we will observe. We want to be as close to the market behavior because what happened 2 years ago may not be the same right now. What happened last year, the market behavior can change this year. So yes, we will constantly upgrade our robot. Okay. Now, the next question also. Do you have the plan to run automated trading and pass the prop challenge? We have a question coming from other members like FTMO, My Forex Fund, the Funded Trader, and many more. Okay, just want to share with you guys. Yes, we are running a few experiments right now. We do. And we are making adjustment right now to meet the requirements. So yes, stay tuned in our group. We will announce if we have a details about running a prop challenge or running our automated trading system that can pass the requirement. We will let you guys know. But yes, we are running now several experiments. And the result is interesting. Okay? So the next question. I am afraid of losing my money. Simple. Do not enroll in this program. Done. Okay? Guys, same question. Trading is a business. If you dare not to start the business, don't start. Okay? I want everybody to be clear. Are you all clear or not? Just type it clear. I don't want later you get disappointed. If you are afraid of losing money or if you are afraid to take risks, simple answer. Don't join. Don't enroll. Nobody force you here. Okay? Nobody is forcing you here. Just type that clear if everybody clear here. Okay? If you fear of losing money, if you fear of, cannot sleep well at night, simple. Don't join. Simple. Just also don't enroll. Wait until you really have extra money. There's something that you can take a risk. Then only you join. Otherwise, I just tell you this. Go and find something is safer. Okay? Put in the fixed deposit or put in the low risk unit trust or don't do anything. Okay? Everything also have a risk. Okay? All right. So the broker, later on, you guys will know in your online learning portal. There's a broker that later on you know which one. Okay? So now some of you ask me, sir, I am willing to take calculated risks. I will not complain, whining, or blame others. So If you are the brave warriors and you're a person that dare to take the risk, welcome to UFP Auto Trade Program. Get ready for the registration link that I am about to open. Stand by. Activate your accounts. Beginning next week, we start to run already. We do not want to waste anybody's time. So if you're willing to take a calculated risk, you will not complain. You're a person not whining and don't like to blame others. This is the character that we want. A steady traders. They know what does it mean by calculated risk. So yes, welcome to our UFP Auto Trade Program. Stand by right after this. We're about to open the link as well. Okay, now I'm going to open a 10 minutes for open question and answer. You guys can go ahead. I will open about 10 minutes. I will select a question and answer here. Okay, if you have a question and answer, go ahead. I would like to answer some of you here. And at the same time, guys, get ready. I about to open the link already. So those who get ready to get started right here. Step 1, go ahead and click register on your UFP online learning portals. I will share with you guys the link right now. Okay, get ready. Okay, I'm about to share with you guys the link right now. Hold on, give me a moment. Okay, so guys, can you all hear me? Yes. Yeah, can you all hear me? Yeah, because I think some of you said that you cannot hear me. Okay, all right, so let me check first. Can you all hear me or not? Okay, so let me check first. Yeah, let me check first. Okay, all right, because I think some of you said, sir, you cannot hear me. Yeah, so let me try again one more time. Okay, all right, can you all hear me? Okay, I'm about to share with you guys the link shortly. Get ready. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, let me try again one more time. Okay, all right, so there's a question coming here. Yeah. Okay, let me check whether you guys can hear me or not. Yeah. Okay. Just want to check again because I think some of you cannot hear me. All right. Okay. So, guys, can you all hear me? If yes, just type the yes, yeah, on the chat section. Okay. All right. Yes, those who can hear me, just type the yes. Okay. So I already opened a link right here. So those who want to get started, okay. So go and click here to register right now. Go and open your trading account and follow the step-by-step guide. Okay, you can select broker 1, the step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and follow all the steps. Okay, so those who want to get started, go ahead, and at the same time here, I will answer some of your question. And guys, if some of you here, I missed out to answer your question, above there is a link here. You guys can check. There is a chat section. You can chat directly with our Telegram in our Telegram group, and you also can chat with our customer support at at WhatsApp. Because some of you here asking a good question, I may miss out some of the question. Don't feel demotivated. Our team will still answer you guys, but you need to do your role. Go and click that link up there. There's a one column up there. If you have a question, ask our Quant Solution support. Okay, at the Telegram, or you can WhatsApp our team. Okay, so now I have some of you have a question, so I'm going to open. If you guys, some of you have a question here. Okay, so let's begin right here. Joel say, is the 1,000 US dollar the minimum? Yes. For the time being, the $1,000 is still the best for this running. So can it be lesser? We don't recommend. Okay, that's a good question coming from Joel. Okay. All right. Shui Gen say, if we deposit money into broker account, should we accept the deposit bonus they offer? No right, no wrong here. Usually you don't have to take the bonus because that is not important. Eventually, it will not affect too much of your trading. But if you want to take the bonus, go ahead. Okay, but usually if you don't want to take, it's fine as well. Because there are a lot of rules. They don't really release you that amount. It's not easy. You have to trade maybe for the next 3 to 5 months without any withdrawals. So if you don't take the bonus as well, it's not a problem. Okay. All right. Ken say, I will definitely join this goal. However, should I will attend your tomorrow webinar? No, this webinar is done already. You can straight away start right now. Okay, Ken, you can straight away start right now. Awesome. Okay, Eric say, affiliate income, pay to broker account or direct to the bank. Now, it's two different things, yeah, Eric? Two different things. So if you're trading, the broker will transfer the amount directly to the banking current account or saving account that you choose. Okay, but for affiliate program, our company will bank in to the account that you wish. Okay, if you have a saving account or your current account, our company will bank in directly to your account. So it's two separate payment. Okay, Ken? Sorry, is that clear? Yeah, because some of you asked this question. Yeah. Okay. So, Sir King Ngum, if the trading exchange closed down, how do we get back our money? So, this is a very, very important question. Okay. Now, first of all, when we select a brokers, right, it's very important for us to check the background, especially the broker that can sustain, especially during financial crisis. Okay. During financial crisis or health crisis like COVID, do you guys know that a lot of brokers closed down? We do not want to involve with the broker that closed down during the financial crisis. The first step right here is we want to see whether the broker can last long, especially during the financial crisis. Okay, so number one, that's the first criteria that we see. Okay, and then number two, it's able to sustain a big volume of withdrawal. So far, no issue for big volume of withdrawal. Okay, but there will be an issue, like say for example in future. Yes, we don't know. Okay, we don't know when, and that is the reason I give you guys a tip here. Only trade with the amount that you're willing to take a risk, and don't put too much, and don't put all your basket into one broker. You can separate into two different brokers as well. Okay, so again, our idea here in trading is not to get you guys to become multi-billionaire immediately. Most important thing is actually when this trading can generate you guys passive income, it's good enough already. But will that be in the futures? This thing can happen. We don't know. To be honest, we don't know. It's just like you guys asking a question. Those who in Malaysia, you're asking a question, when Maybank is going to close down? Okay? When public bank is going to close down? That is exactly the same question you guys are asking this, the broker that is already run steadily for 10 to 20 years. Okay, now the question is, will they as an insurance or they will cover? Usually all the brokers, they will cover a certain numbers, but I want to tell you guys directly here. When you put your money in trading with the brokers, anything can happen. No matter, there's a lot of clauses that actually will protect you guys, this and that, but I want you guys to be cautious because we do not know what happened in future. But still only put the amount that you're willing to take a risk. If $10,000 that you're willing to put, then just put $10,000. Okay, if anything happened to the broker, if you can fight for the amount, you can get it back, fine. If not, that you have to put in your mind as well that you're still willing to take this calculated risk. Okay, now the question is, when the broker gonna close down or what is going to happen, we don't know. But what we know is during financial crisis, when there's a problem in the whole world, there's a pandemic, the broker remains steady and cool. So far, so good, no issue. That is among the broker that we want. Okay, so don't, because of this, it discourages you guys. For me, it's like you guys give a small, things that to stop you guys. Okay, so I think this one is still like, for me, is a small problem. Somebody said, sir, that is not a small problem. Okay, that is not a small problem. That is a big problem for us. Let me ask you guys one question. Even a big banks today, like I give you guys an example, Lehman Brothers. Lehman Brothers can have a problem or not? Merrill Lynch can have a problem or not? Back in 2008, like big bang, they can have a big problem. We do not know when and we do not know how. The only thing right now we know, the brokers that we see that we select right now still remain steady. Okay, still remain steady, and there is no issue for now. And the cool thing is, during this financial crisis, they still remain steady. No problem in their deposit and withdrawal. So that's one is the most important part that we observe. Okay, so that's a good question. All right. So Pascal said, must we use MT4 or MT5 is also okay? Pascal, says Pascal, don't worry about all these things. We will use fully in MT4 and you don't have to do all the setups. Our team will do all the setup for you guys. All right. Okay, so is it the link walkable? The link is walkable. If you guys can click the link, you guys can straight away register. Okay. Okay, CK Chiu say, I'm a UFP member already and had XA account, so I still. So when you open to this automatic trading system, CK Chiu, we'll use the different broker. The reason is why we don't use XE is because XE have a delay. So it's not suitable. Okay, so not suitable. All right. Okay, I will take another 2 more questions. Alwayne say, I cannot find the link. Can you guys see the offer that I just opened here? Can you guys see? Actually, we did send something here. There's a post. You guys can see actually it's already popped up for you guys. Yeah. Can you see that one, guys? We already opened the pop-up. There's a click here to register. Or you guys can check here. There is a button offer. You just try to click that button offer down there. It will pop up for you guys. All right. All right. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So, okay. Let me check again. Who else have the question? Okay. So, Hafiza say, if we register now, do we need to pay for the fee? No. Hafiza, for the time being, it's all free. You only pay the fee later on the 4th month. Don't worry, our billing team will contact you guys. Okay? That one will happen. Now, no need. You just register and start. No need to pay any subscription fee. All is free. All is free. Okay? Shagan said, when I click on the link, I have to register on this link straight away. The broker account set up through UFP membership portal. 1K to register. Do I create a new account or we use the existing UFP? So if Shagan, if you already opened previously with us and it's the same link, you can maintain the same. Okay, you can maintain the same. Because currently our portal all use these 2 brokers already. Okay, so you don't need to change. You just maintain the same and just fill up the next part. Okay. All right. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, Amber says, Sifu, can you explain the step we need to take start? Okay, can you guys see there is a link right now that we click on the right-hand side? There is a button offer. I'd like to open it up again one more time. Okay, hope you guys can see this. Okay, hold on. Okay, I like to click this button again. Okay, remove offer. Okay, I do it again one more time. Can you all see this? One more time. Let me pop up again. Can you all see this thing again? Yep. So click the link first. So those who want to know how to get started is simple. Just click here to register. Means you go and access our UFP online portal first. So once you click there, you register. This online portal will get you guys how to start step by step. So first of all, you select either you want to use the broker number 1 or broker number 2. If you use a broker number 1, okay, if you use a broker number 1, you follow the step-by-step guide. So it's a very, very, very simple step only. I'll show you guys shortly. Okay. All right. So let me show you guys first here. Okay. So, okay. So I'll show you guys first here. Okay. So this is going to be your online learning portals. So when you come to this section here, of course, there will be an introduction. Okay. So those who want to watch the introduction, there's the basic one, but this webinar is basically the same. So you go to the broker number 1. Say, for example, broker number 1, you select, you follow the steps. Step 1, step 2, follow exactly one by one. Okay? Step 1, complete. And then follow step 2, step 3. So if you want to select broker number 2, you also follow step 1, step 2, step 3, step 2, until the finish. Normally, the step 1 to step number 5 until activation is the most important part. So take your time. Okay, so take your time, follow exactly. So you have a few hours here to complete this. Okay, so once you go through that part, activate, and then our team will contact with you guys. It's a very, very straightforward. Okay, it's a very, very straightforward process. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm gonna take one more question here before we end. Any more question from you guys? Okay, let me check first. All right. Okay. Dennis Chong, if you open the broker right for this time here, don't use the zero spread, yeah? Use the pro account. Yeah, on the broker number 2, select the pro account. Follow the link. Okay, Viduman, done register account number 2. Awesome. Eric, can we install the EA ourselves? No, you don't have to. We don't give you the EA here, Eric. We don't give you the EA. We don't give you the one. No need. That one, let all the team do everything for you guys. We straight away run. Here we don't give you guys EA. You take the EA, you do a back test. You want to do demo test. Don't waste your time. All is done already for you guys. What you want right now is straight away started. Get started immediately. Okay. All right. Okay. So, all right. So Ariel say, why do we need to provide MT4 password to you? Okay, so there's two things here that I want to share with you guys. Yeah, there's two things I want to share with you guys here. I think it's very, very important. Okay, so let me begin right here. Okay, when you open your trading account, there is when you open your accounts, right? Okay, first of all, let me check this one first. Okay, can you all see I'm writing something here? Okay, so when you open with broker, okay, when you open broker have 2 sections here, yeah? First is your personal area. Personal area later on when you log in into the broker platform or broker personal area, you have your username and password. Okay, you have your username and password. Okay, this one is only you. No, okay, don't give this password to anyone else. Okay, next thing, only you allowed to deposit and withdrawal. Okay, only you allowed to deposit and withdrawal. So this is under personal area. Now later on, the broker will give you trading ID. Okay, the broker will give you trading ID and trading password. Okay, so this trading ID and trading password is the one that you give to our team, and our team will run the automated trading system to you guys through the VPS. Now, I want everybody to be clear here. This trading ID and password has nothing to do with your personal area. Your trading ID and your trading password, we cannot withdraw money for you. We cannot deposit money for you. This is 2 separate things. Trading ID and password is 100% for trading only. Okay, is to make our team easy to insert and install for you guys. All right, so when you provide the trading ID and trading password here, this only for trading. This password cannot go for deposit and withdrawal. Are you all clear or not? If you all clear, just type the clear. So Raman said, can we run the software with mobile phone? You mean view the trading through mobile phone? Yes, you can. The rest, our team will do all for you guys. Okay. All right. Elvin says, should I take 10 to 15% bonus? It's up to you, Elvin. You can select 10 to 50%. Or Elvin, if you don't want to take the promo, you don't have to as well. Okay. Nano say, what is the leverage that we use for robot? 1 to 500 leverage is the minimum. Okay. 1 to 500 is the minimum. Okay. The higher the leverage, of course, is slightly better. All right, cool. All right. So can I only activate? Ong Melin say, can I only activate? Okay, hold on now. Can I only activate or start a month or two later? You can, but right now we do have a awesome promotion. So, but it's up to you. No rush. Again, as I tell you guys, no rush. If you think that you're ready and you want those who want to start, of course, the advantage is we will give you all these awesome promotions. Okay. Yeah. Yes, you can start later on. Not a problem. Okay. So you start only when you guys ready. But the only thing is, if the promo, that whatever the benefit that we have is, if there's no longer valid already, if you are okay with that, no problem. Okay. So don't rush. Okay. Don't rush. If you want to start also next 6 months or next 12 months, you want to see, you want to wait for a while, it's okay. Not a problem. All right. 1 to 500, guys, follow the guide. Okay. All right. Okay. So Tregan says, sorry, do I log in the link with my UFP password or broker platform? Don't worry, Tregan. Okay. So there's a 3 section here that later on you get. Okay. So first of all, your online learning portal is for learning only. Okay. So online learning portal is for video tutorial only. Okay. So it's a very, very different. Okay. Very different. So this is for your UFP auto trade portal. Okay. Auto trade portal. Okay. Portal. This is for your guidance, for your learning. Okay. So when you want to trade, you will have broker personal area. Okay. This is where you deposit. Okay. You withdraw. Okay. The broker personal area you can access through website, or you can access directly to their apps. Okay, they also give you guys an apps. Okay, so follow the step-by-step guides. Okay, so broker and personal area, this one you have a different, okay, username login. Different login and password. This one, do not share this login ID and password to anyone. Okay, please, this one, make it secure. Okay, now broker will also provide you trading ID. Okay, they separate. Okay, this broker that we select, they differentiate the trading ID and password separately. So it's for the purpose of trading only. Okay, this trading ID and password cannot access to your withdrawal, to your broker area, cannot. It's because it's 2 separate things. So this one is just for the purpose of trading only. I hope that you all clear with this. Okay, 0 spread. Yeah, sorry. No, don't start with send account. Yeah, don't start with send account. Okay, start with the pro account. Okay, all right, pro account. Okay, so with that said, guys, if you have more questions, guys, kindly chat with our technical support. And I think this is really, really awesome start for you guys. And once again, guys, if we miss out your question, please don't feel demotivated as if like we don't answer, because there's a lot of good questions that we found out here. So don't worry, guys. Kindly post the question to our Telegram customer support, or you can answer. You can ask the question through the WhatsApp. Our team will still answer you guys right after this. Okay. So once again, everybody, thank you so much, everyone, for attending our webinar. Make sure that you stay tuned and follow our Telegram channel for all the awesome news, for all the awesome update. And once again, everybody, on behalf of UFP Auto Trade and Quant Solution, we want to say thank you so much, everyone, for attending our webinar, and congratulations for those who managed to get all this wonderful benefit. And congratulations, and I wish you all the best for those who want to start it in Gold XA3. Once again, everybody, thank you so much. I love you all. Take care, and I will see you guys on the other side. Take care, and bye-bye.